Happy New Year, everybody. It's January, and we all know that we're trying to cleanse and detox. So today we're gonna make my grain bowl. I don't know about you guys, but I know that for me, December this year was quite the month, I would say. The restaurant was closed, right, Doug?
Unfortunately.
So we took it upon ourselves to enjoy Christmas and New Year's like we've never enjoyed before. Enjoy it like it's the end of 2020. We ate and drank. How many pounds of cheese did you eat, Doug?
I think roughly 6. And then maybe another 2 or 3 pounds of cured meats.
Cured meats, caviar, oysters, lots of wine, tons of beer. Now we're ready to face January and clean our bodies, right, Doug?
Yes, ma'am. So you're telling me that's not wine in your paper cup there?
I just finished a 4-day cleanse, starting with hot water. This is for you, Kylie Brownell. My old sous chef used to make fun of me because I drink copious amounts of just hot water. It started with hot water and lemon, moved on to smoothies, and then I just finished a 2-day juice cleanse. And I was very miserable, Doug, you would say?
Yeah, you were not fun to be around.
I
quit mine earlier than you, so I can't say anything.
I know. I was quite miserable last night. I was shivering, ice cold, I had a headache. So today, to reintroduce my body to food, we're gonna make a grain bowl with all the things that we have in our fridge that are not cheese and cured meats. So, I think we should get started. What do you think, Doug?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. After years of making grain bowls at work and lots of feedback, I think I kind of know what I like in my grain bowl, but I'll walk you through actually what we had in our fridge. I, of course, did the groceries on January 2nd and loaded us up with vegetables and fruits and grains. So today's grain bowl that we're making, actually, Doug and I have decided that we're going to be what for the month of January?
Pescatarian, but mostly vegetarian.
Mostly vegetarian and no...
alcohol?
No alcohol.
Yeah, right.
No alcohol, I know. We'll see how that goes. We've done it before, we'll do it again. What I had at home, I'll just walk you through it quickly. I had brown rice, which I cooked off. I had quinoa, same, I cooked it off. We had some edamame in the freezer. For some reason, I had a bag of radishes. It must have been left over from the canteen. 1 sweet potato, just one lonely one. I had, of course, the quinoa. I had some flax seeds. I always have pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. My kids love them. I had tempeh, which is a fermented soybean pressed together. We always have lemons, lemon water, avocados, of course. I had this fun little red Napa cabbage that I got from Ted Hutton before Christmas. Some red kale. Doug, what do you like on all dishes usually? Something?
Like pickly, usually, or crunchy.
Well, I'm not going to do anything pickled today, though you could have like a pickled red onion or a pickled carrot or even pickled radish, but I'm going to make something crunchy just for Doug today. I'm going to do, I call it like a little seed granola because this is actually vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free. It's free of everything but flavor. I have some quinoa, which is raw, it's not cooked. So I don't really measure it, I just sort of eye it.
That's weird. I mean, you're telling me that you're not measuring something?
I know, Doug, it's mysterious that I'm not measuring anything. Flax seeds, and these are actually already toasted, which is kind of nice. And then, again, the sunflower seeds and the pumpkin seeds. And I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm gonna add maple syrup, and this gives it a sweetness, and it also helps it bind together. Salt. So this is like salty, sweet, cayenne pepper, spicy. Put as much as you like or as little as you like. And I like to put a little bit of cumin powder in there as well. Mix it up. And then we're going to put it on a parchment-lined sheet tray, oven, 375, 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure to keep your eye on it and to stir it, and don't let it burn. Granola is in the oven. Now we're going to get our sweet potato and tempeh ready. So if you don't have sweet potato, you could use cauliflower, you could use broccoli, whatever you have at home, whatever you like. If you have kids, whatever your kids like, whatever your partner likes. But for me, I do love the sweet potato. And I'm really bad at chopping today. It's been a hot minute since I've been at work, seeing as we've been closed for a while. And then with the rest of the vegetables, I'm going to just thinly slice my radishes. I'm going to marinate my kale with a little bit of lemon vinaigrette. If you remember the video on salads, how many videos back is that, Doug?
God,
2, 3?
4 or 5 maybe, I don't know. But what we're gonna do is if you look up on the screen, we will make sure that there's a link there to the vinaigrettes so that you can make the miso vinaigrette that Renee's gonna put on this grain bowl.
It's lemon vinaigrette.
Oh, lemon, tahini.
So Doug, the grain bowl itself, the grains, get our lemon vinaigrette that was in the video, and then on top of everything else, it's going to be the tahini vinaigrette that was in the video. So you can just look at the video and have the recipe. My tempeh and my sweet potato are going to be roasted together. Again, same thing as the granola, olive oil, little bit of maple syrup for sweetness, a good amount of salt, maybe not a good amount of salt, it is January, cumin, cayenne, mix this all up together on a sheet pan into the oven, and this will roast for about, again, 10 to 15 minutes until the sweet potatoes are soft. And then once that is done and the granola comes out of the oven, we're going to assemble this grain bowl because I am starving because I haven't eaten in 4 days. I need to eat. Let's get this in the oven. Grains tossed with the lemon vinaigrette, a little bit of salt for seasoning. And you can build this any way that you want. Marinated kale, again in the lemon vinaigrette. A little bit of herb salad, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of dill, just to add a little something something. Edamame, boom. I've got my cabbage that I chiffonaded, my Napa cabbage, extra crunch. I've got some radishes right here. I've got an avocado. Doug likes his sliced. I like mine whole. Right, Doug?
Yes.
Because sometimes you get the vinaigrette right in the hole.
True,
Boom.
true.
Let us not forget the sweet potatoes that we did. Gives it a nice sweetness and spiciness. The tempeh. Nice few pieces of the tempeh that we roasted with our sweet potatoes.
I cannot wait to dig into this.
I know. The vinaigrette, the tahini vinaigrette. Just drizzle that over everything. A little bit in the hole of the avocado. Haha, that's what she said. Obviously, season everything again. And last but not least, our little nut or seed granola on top for some crunch. Just like that. This looks delicious. I'm getting hungry. And just a little bit more dill and parsley. And voila. There you have it, folks. The grain bowl that will feed you throughout the month of January. Oh, all right, Doug, are you ready to come in and try the bowls of grains?
I am so ready.
All right.
Holy moly, I can't wait to hit this. Because I too attempted a cleanse. I made it through about, I don't know, 2.5 days maybe, but as anyone knows, cleanses and Doug don't work too well together. But this is right up my alley.
I'm going to eat mine slowly because I'm reintroducing my body to food after 4 days. But I'm pretty excited.
Me too.
I might take this home actually and eat it at my own pace.
Fair enough. But, you know, January is all about health, self-care, you know.
Taking time for yourself.
We love January. Usually it's like a bit of a challenge. We love it for at least the first 2 weeks. But we started out with a bang on January 1st. We went for a swim in Lake Banook, which was amazing. And we've decided not to reopen until the end of the month, given all the circumstances that we're under right now with COVID. So we're taking this time to really get ourselves healthy again. So I think there's gonna be a bunch more episodes coming up with healthy food.
Healthy food, I'm so excited.
Well, it should be good. So tell us what you like about this grain bowl and what you like about your own grain bowls. Make sure to subscribe and like, and give us some suggestions around what kind of healthy food you like to see this month in future episodes.
For sure. You know what I like? I like soups.
Renee loves soups and I love salads. Let's get some suggestions rolling and we'll see what we come up with.
All right.
All right, folks, happy January.
Happy New Year.
2021 is gonna be fantastic. Let's do this.
All right.